Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you some basic C++. um these tutorials are meant for the absolute beginner in C++. If you want to become a pro in C++, I will urge you to stick to the series of tutorials I'm going to be posting on this channel in the coming days. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe. Without much further ado, let us begin. So before you start C++ development, I will urge you to get the Microsoft Visual Studio, not the Visual Studio Code that is very popular, but the Microsoft Visual Studio, this one. Try and download it, and then when you open it, you're gonna come to the source files. Right click on the source files, and then under add you see new item, and then under new item you can just click add, or you can change the name of the file. So here we're going to change it to main. So this is the main, and for us to start, first of all we will include some header files and functions. So we'll say include IOStream. Include IOStream. I'm using namespace standard. Namespace standard. So this will help us to write in the namespace standard notation without writing std dot dot. It may be something like cout. So now here we say main int main curly brackets, and then return 0. The main function always returns 0. It's an int, and that is why it's returning an int. Now here we're just gonna say cout in quotes hello world. Now this is our basic hello world in C++. It's that simple. Now we go to files and save all, and then we go to build and build solution. And if you look down here, you'll be able to see if your solution built successfully or not before you run. So here 1 succeeded and 0 failed, shows that our build was successful. Now we can run our program. So now you can see hello world here. So this is our basic hello world program in C++. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel. I will be posting some C++ videos in the coming days. Thank you.